Czy produkt to VASCO Translator E1, czyli słuchawka tłumacząca, którą możesz połączyć z 10 innymi słuchawkami i rozmawiać z rzeczywistym tłumaczeniem w 11 osób.
Cel mai recent produs al nostru este VASCO Translator, care este un telefon de interpret pe care îl puteți combina cu alte 10 telefoane mobile și puteți vorbi cu traducerea reală a 11 persoane.
The earbud that we designed is specially made to not go inside the ear, it goes on the ear, so that you can share this device with the stranger on the street. And this device will give you the translation and record your voice to get you the translated text. So you don't need anything else, you just need to connect it to your phone or our VASCO Translator V4. The idea is that we want you to have your hands free when you speak, so the conversation is very fluent, is very natural. You can use simultaneous mode or you can use push to button mode. So whenever you want to talk, you need to push the button and you can speak. The translation will go to every participant of the conversation, or you can use the simultaneous mode. Then everyone who speaks will be recorded and translated to other earbuds to the chosen languages. The earbud has the light, so you can connect the light with the chosen language so that everyone who's in the conversation will know that yellow is mine because it's French, and the green is mine because it's Polish. So it doesn't get mixed up. And this device can be connected either to VASCO Translator V4, then you have over 60 languages from which you can choose, and with the iPhone or the Android we have the dedicated app, and with this app you get the access to 49 languages.
Cât de mult ține bateria la acest? Cât de mult ține bateria, de exemplu?
Jak długo wytrzymuje na przykład bateria?
That's actually a good question. The battery will last with this device for around 3 days, and with this device it will be from even 5 to 7 days of a normal use. So you don't have to worry that if anything happens you won't be able to get the translation, because the battery lasts for a very, very long time.
Toată lumea întreabă despre internet. Poți să ne spui, de exemplu, care este treaba cu internetul pe viață?
Wszyscy pytają o internet. Czy możesz nam na przykład powiedzieć, jak wygląda sprawa z internetem na całe życie?
Z urządzeniem VASCO Translator V4 oraz VASCO Translator M3 każdy nasz klient dostaje kartę SIM, która łączy się w 200 krajach na całym świecie. Za kartę SIM nie trzeba płacić, jest ona dana na zawsze.
VASCO Translator V4 și VASCO Translator M3. Fiecare dintre clienții noștri primește o cartelă SIM care se conectează în 200 de țări din întreaga lume. Nu trebuie să plătiți pentru cartela SIM. Aceasta este oferită pentru totdeauna.
Aveți deal-uri în fiecare țară cu operatorii de telefonie mobilă?
Masz style w każdym kraju, w którym działają operatorzy komórkowi.
Yes, the idea is that we always have at least 2 to 3 operators for each country, so that if the first one is not working, then we have another one and a third one to make sure that